All right, let's move on to speaking part two. Describe a movie you would like to watch again. So, over to you.
Well, I'm very fond of watching movie. You can even say it's one of my hobby to watch movies. Well, the movie which I would love to watch again is an Indian movie whose name is Humko Deewana Kar Gaye. If I can say in English, if I can say English, yeah, if I can say in English, it's like you drove me crazy in love. I was in school life when I watched this movie first time in my life. I was in, I think, in eighth standard, and I watched it alone. Some of my friend he told me about this movie to watch it, and then I came back to my home after on a weekend from my hostel, and I watched it in my room. The storyline of the movie was like a love story. It was a romantic movie, and both the actor and the actress, they was initially engaged before they met with each other. After meeting with each other, they fall in love, and after with the part of time, they also got marriage in the end of the movie. Actually, it's my favorite movie, and if I ever got a chance to watch it again, I would love to watch this movie again.
Thank you so much. Overall, it's fine, but you're weak in grammar. So try to focus basic English grammar, especially tenses and sentence structure. Like you said, a movie whose name is. Yeah, exactly. No, it should be like not whose. We usually use for people, right? We can use it in that way as well. But anyways, the name of the movie is, instead of whose name is, you can say the name of the movie is, and then you said matting. You created a new word in English language. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, with second form of the verb we never add ing, but
ING.
you did that. This is amazing. I found new word, matting.
Slip of
So
tongue.
met, meeting, not metting. Okay, and then you said they fall in love. It should have been, because you were narrating the story in the past tense, so it should have been they fell in love, right? So because you have never fallen in love, that's why you don't know the right tense for that. Okay, so focus all these things. Ideas are good, but language is weak. So if you brush up your basic English grammar with these ideas, you can get even better than score. Now we have speaking part 3. Why do young people like to watch romantic movies?
Well, nowadays it's modern era, and the era of social media. So young people, when they not get married in early
When
ages,
they don't get married?
when they don't get married in early ages, so of course they are a human being, and every human being, they do have feelings.
Okay,
So-
I understand that. So they express their frustration by watching romantic movies and all that, huh? All right. Okay, that's good. One more question I'd like to ask you. Do you like the movies with good songs?
Well, yes, songs, they play a vital role in the movie, and some people they only love the songs instead of watching the whole movie. So and the songs, they also play a very vital role in the publicity of the movie. So of course the songs, they are
That's good. Just brush up your English. Your ideas are good. You understand the question very well, but only the language is weak. That's why this is going to be the reason. Okay. Okay. Thank you.